Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make Google your default search engine in Chrome on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on Settings. This is where you can adjust all your Chrome preferences. Inside Settings, tap on Search Engine. You will see a list of options like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and maybe more. Right now, it might not be Google. To make Google your default, just tap on Google or check mark will appear next to it, which means it's now your default search engine. To make sure it's working, go back to Chrome main page and type something in the address bar in search, and you should see results powered by Google. Perfect. And that's it. Now, every time you search in Chrome on your phone, it will use Google by default. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.